Alright, so today let's see how we're going to assemble a slimline banner. Right, so you'll see the slimline banner is numbered. So we're going to start with the two corners, slot them in, obviously check where the holes are, slot them in, put them into the feet. Same, it's like putting together a puzzle. There we go. Find the numbers on the holes. Look at that, 2 and 1. Put them together. And you just keep going. So you start assembling them. Little by little, one by one. Okay, we've got number 3 there, and number 4. So let's slot in number 3 over here. There we go. We're looking for number 8. So let's find the next one. Alright, number 8 and number 8. There's my hole. Match up the hole. It is right there. There it is. There we go. Now the top. We've got number 7. You can see number 7 over there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble these 3 together. So number 6, is that a 6 or a 9? Either way, number matches. We have number 5. So this is the last slot. So I'm assembling this now. There we go. Right, okay, so put the whole top bar together. So now it's all together, all the pieces. And it's ready to assemble. So let's pop it on top. Let's see, we've got number 4 over there, number 4 over there, and we have a number 7 over here on the sticker, and a number 7 over there. So let's pop it on top. Nicely, nicely. Position it, clip it in there, clip it in there, and oh, that's satisfying click. Now, slide on the banner. Look at that. Got our banner now. And all we have to do is slide it on from the bottom. There's the slot, and we're going to slide it on. I'm a short person, so I'm going to have to be creative. I normally pull the fold down because that's the easiest way. I love these banners because they're printed on both sides. Pretty cool. So let's put that down for a second. Okay. And I'm going to just put it down. I do this gently. This is short people problems. I'm going to push it against the wall here. Okay, now we slide this on like a sock. That's why this is called, this is our slimline banner, but it's also called a sock banner. And you can see why. It's like sliding sock. So yeah, short people problems. Of course, if you're tall, it's much easier. But there we go. Look at that. see why I put it against the wall. Slide it on, because otherwise I will slide with it. And I slide it on, and when it's about this far, I can now lift it up. So I continue sliding. Slide, 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 slide. All the way to the bottom. And I can pull it together nice and tight. I'll have to straighten it up a little bit so it looks a bit neater. Now, isn't that a beauty? Look at that. Beautiful slimline banner, beautifully assembled.